Did y'all see that? Let me go back. Look at that. Wild. Cut it. Do I need to see more? Do I need to see more? Beautiful, man. Beautiful.
Before I say this, I will never not say that I love like the scribble and stuff on the wall. It is just, it's very natural. Like, I love that. It's very, very natural. And I feel like he teaches a school or something. Look at the smiley faces in the corner here. Like, over here. Like, yeah.
I'm not gonna lie, I really like how he came in with that. That was awesome, man.
He's capturing the essence of the original song from Guns N' Roses. Now, in the reaction to the Guns N' Roses, I love the way he bends the strings that's above the fretboard on the machine head, on the top of the machine heads, and he's so good at getting that bend. I know they're hard to bend them. You know, they're really, really hard to. You can't see me, but them bits there, you know, they're not easy to bend. They're not easy. But this guy does it so easy. Woo!
It's crazy how the guitar, it's crazy how the guitar itself pretty much sings the song for you, bro. You know, like, it's crazy how, you know, say like me, I heard this song millions of times, and just by the chords and how, you know what I mean? Like, I can hear the words just by hearing the notes. Does that sound weird?
Maybe it's a simple method. I mean, you know, I'm not really, I could play acoustic a little bit, but I'm not known to play it like that.
man. It just brings me back to being a kid. It's just nostalgia. I'm getting lost in the music. I love it, man.
It's crazy. It's so good.
Come on, solo.
See, my problem, man, when I look at him playing acoustic guitar, like, I just feel like my hands can't get in between them chords as fast and smooth as they do it. Like,
Octaves. He did the octaves. Really, really nice. Really, really cool. I love the way this guy plays guitar. It's just... One only hopes you could be half as good as this guy. 10% as good as this guy. 1% as good as this guy.
Wow. That little solo that he done right there was just beautiful. Like, how? So relaxing. It's so relaxing how he's doing it. Like, this is like the more calmer version of Alip. This is like